Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy meal option in my Paneer Bhurji. For this bhurji, you're just going to need a few ingredients. We're going to start off by heating a pan. Add a little cooking oil to the pan. When the oil is heated, add in some chopped onion. This is one large onion that I've chopped. And saute that until the onions soften and get a little bit of color on them. Once the onions have started to soften, I'm going to add in one chopped chili and I'm going to stir that around to mix it through. Now you can see that the onions have started developing a little color on the edges, and that's exactly what we're looking for. At this stage, I'm going to add in a little turmeric powder and stir that through. Once it has mixed through, I'm adding one chopped tomato and stirring that through as well. Now the tomatoes don't need to cook for very long here, they just need to soften a tiny bit. You don't want them to get too mushy, you want them to hold their shape. And at this stage, you're going to crumble in your paneer. I've got one block of paneer here, this is just store-bought paneer. And using my hands, I'm just going to crumble it into the pan. Now you can use homemade paneer, and that's what I use very often, but when you're in a pinch and don't have too much time on hand, you can always use some store-bought paneer as well. Give it a good stir to incorporate all those spices and beautiful flavors in through the paneer. It'll take a few seconds to mix through, but you need to make sure that all of the paneer is well coated. If you find any lumps of paneer that are too big, you can break them down using your spatula or your spoon as well. Once it is all mixed through, you're going to season your Paneer Bhurji. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And I'm going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. Again, this is to taste. Give it one last good stir. The paneer doesn't need to cook for too long, it just needs to warm through. Cooking your paneer for too long will result in a very chewy texture, and you don't want that. You want the paneer to be nice and light and soft. At this stage, your bhurji is ready. Turn the heat off and add in some coriander leaves chopped. Stir that through again, and your bhurji is ready to serve. Now this comes together in about 10 minutes or so it's perfect for an option where you're really hard pressed for time, but you still want something warm and delicious. You can serve this up for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and this is a really great lunchbox option as well. I'm going to quickly serve myself a portion of the Paneer Bhurji, and I'm going to add a little bit more of some of that fresh coriander over the top. Today I'm serving my bhurji with a nice freshly made hot chapati. That's a quick and easy dinner option for me. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more quick meal options or lunchbox ideas like this, leave me a comment below and let me know. As always, I'm going to leave a link to the complete recipe down in the description box below. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once you've done that, click on that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.